Hello everyone, Sachin Tale here and welcome to this video. Couple of days ago, I uploaded first video on mindset which needs to be developed in order to learn English easily and effectively. In this video, we'll be talking about mindset number 2 which needs to be developed in order to learn English. So in the first video, in mindset number 1, basically mindset number 1 was all about mistakes, the way we look at mistakes. And in that video, I shared that mistakes are okay. And when you will start learning English language, mistakes, they would happen and you should be okay with them. But it doesn't mean that you need to commit the same mistake again and again, or intentionally you need to commit a mistake. But yes, whenever you learn a new skill, mistakes will happen. They are okay. Now in today's video, we'll be talking about mindset number 2, and it is very crucial. We need to develop this mindset. We need to sort of change the way we look at certain things if we really want to learn English, right? So this mindset is all about image. See what has happened, we people have somewhere associated English or our ability to speak in English with our image. So it is an association of our ability to speak in English with our image. Consciously or subconsciously, somewhere we feel that if I'm able to speak in English, I would be respected in the society. I would get, more recognition in the society, or my image would be good. But we really need to question this belief. Is this true? Has your ability to speak in English got anything to do with your image? It is just a language. Isn't it so? Now, we need to inquire how it might have happened. And when it might have happened, when did we really start associating our ability to speak in English with our image? I guess in the past, when Britishers were there in India, they were ruling us, they were there in India, obviously their language was English. So when they were here and they were ruling us, some of Indians, they might have come in contact with them. Some Indians might have spent more time with those Britishers, and by being with them, these Indians might have learned this language. They might have become good at English, or they might have managed to speak in English. And when they were able to speak in English, they kind of learned this language. Britishers communicated more with them. They might have given more facilities to these people who can speak in English. They might have made these people's life easier as compared to those who cannot talk in English. And those people who are not able to speak in English, those Indians, they might have observed it. Oh, if I am able to speak in English, I would be respected. I would be given more facilities. My image would be good. And somewhere there, this idea got stuck in our mind that, in order to get respect, if I want to be respected, or if I want my image to be good in the society, I need to be able to speak in English. This is what might have happened. Number 2, whenever any Bollywood star comes in front of you on TV, on mobile screen, on laptop screen, which language do they speak? In majority of the cases, English is their language. And whenever these film stars, actresses, actors, or these sports personalities, whenever these people speak in English, what happens? Somewhere you think that, oh, if I want to be popular, if I want to be recognized, right? If I want to be famous, then learning this language is very, very important. So directly or indirectly, you are saying to yourself that my image is determined by my ability to talk in English. If I'm able to speak in English, my image will be good. And this association might have happened like this. Now, is it so? You need to really ask, has language got anything to do with your image? I guess no. But it has become a culture now. If you really want to do well in your life, if you want to, grab more opportunities, if you really want to get all those amazing results coming your way, then you need to learn this language. See, there's a culture in India that all the women will have long hair, and males, they will have short hair. So it's a culture and it is being followed. Can you change this culture in a day? No. So better is you adopt yourself accordingly. Similarly, now English has become very important language. So instead of resisting it, instead of saying, oh, Britishers went, but they left English, why should I learn English? I love my mother tongue and all that. I know I also love my mother tongue. I love our national language also. But it doesn't mean we should not learn English. We must learn English because I guess this is important. So what I want to say is it has become a culture, accept it, but you should know that it might have happened like this. And even if I'm not able to talk in English, if I'm not able to speak in English, it doesn't mean I need to have inferiority complex. I need to consider myself, a small person or something. No, it has got nothing to do with your image. You are what you are. What is your perspective on this? I would love to know your perspective. This was my perspective. So if these videos, this series is helping you, please let me know in the comment box. Maybe you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, or maybe I have forwarded this video to you on WhatsApp. Please let me know. If you just answer this, if you tell me how these videos are helping you, it would motivate me to make more such videos. Thank you so much. This is Sachin Tale signing off. Bye bye.